Today, we will talk about how to make money online at home. The sting of inflation may have you pondering how to make some extra income. If you got the time and energy, you can put your skills and passions to work with a side hustle. Making money online from home offers flexibility and diverse opportunities. One option is freelancing, where you can offer services like writing, graphic design, or programming on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Alternatively, you can sell products or crafts through e-commerce platforms such as Shopify or Etsy. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services from companies through your website or social media channels. Content creation, such as starting a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast, can generate income through advertising, sponsorships, or selling digital products. Online tutoring or teaching platforms like VIP or Udemy offer opportunities to share your expertise and earn money. In this video, we discuss 20 ideas on how to make money from home and explore a list of 44 other ways to generate income from home-based roles. If you are wondering how to make money online, it is important for you to stay away from get-rich-quick schemes. For example, there are some people who may recommend online business ideas that claim you can make money from home overnight. Even though there are lots of ways to earn money online, you need to keep your wits about you, as people who promise that you can make millions of dollars in just a few days are probably trying to take advantage of you. Instead, it is important to focus on legitimate ways to make money, such as social media content creation. 1. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Fluent in a second language, check sites such as Django or Blend Express, or drum up business through a site of your own. Webinars are a great way to sell products or provide advice, as they typically follow a specific format and template that's easy to understand. For example, they may show visual representations of specific steps and provide clear instructions for beginners. Once you learn how to deliver effective webinars, you can start making money from home. Webinars allow you to demonstrate directly to your audience how much additional value they'd receive if they purchased your product or service. Companies big and small are often aiming for high-quality content to boost their ranking in search engines. If you have strong writing skills, this may be a path you want to consider. If you don't already have an online portfolio of published writing already, you may consider offering to write a few pieces for free to build a portfolio. No matter what freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know what to charge. Learn how to get started on Upwork. 2. Start a YouTube channel. There are many ways to make money online with a YouTube channel. The most popular way is to add AdSense ads to your videos. Every time someone clicks on your ad, you make money. You can also promote products in your videos on YouTube by wearing or using certain products in your videos. Add a link to your online store to get people to visit your store and buy your items, or contract with third-party companies to promote their products. Just make sure you have a compelling offer for your viewers. Another way to make money on your YouTube channel is to create sponsored content. This way you can make a profit by endorsing branded products or creating content marketing videos. 3. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping can be a simple and profitable business model. You don't have to pay for storing your inventory. Instead, you act as the go-between. Find suppliers online who will sell you products wholesale, then mark it up and earn a profit for yourself. From computers and clothing to jewelry and health food, there are thousands of suppliers who can provide you with your inventory. When you do this, you will need to have a website and e-commerce storefront of your own to market and sell the products. 4. Take online surveys. Believe it or not, you can make money online by taking surveys. There are online survey websites where you can take a survey in your spare time and earn gift cards or cash. Just keep in mind that some paid survey sites are better than others. Branded surveys is one way to earn money online by taking surveys. It's also a favorite of many. They have a sign-up bonus, competitions, a loyalty program, and competitive payouts. You can earn up to $5 for each survey that you complete. 5. Create a blog. Blogs are a popular money-making tool because they're easy to create and offer many routes for monetization. If you have some knowledge on a subject, you can create an online course and sell your expertise to people who come to your blog. Or maybe you've got a blog that specializes in a particular topic. You could sell digital products related to that topic, like guides, templates, ebooks, and more, to folks that visit your blog. If you might have your own goods to sell, you could become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money online by promoting other people's goods on your site. Whenever someone clicks on the link, you receive a commission from the sponsoring company. There are plenty of affiliate networks that have an extensive list of companies for you to join and become an affiliate marketer with. Another way to make money with your blog is to put AdSense ads on it. Every time someone clicks the ad, you make money. It can be a great way to earn passive income. 6. Write and publish a new book. If you have some measure of knowledge on any specific topic, you can always write and publish an ebook to make money online. Just be sure to write about a topic that is relevant to your blog. This will increase your chances of making a sale, since your audience comes to your blog because of your topic or niche. You can also develop a newsletter list and email potential buyers about your ebook. 7. Develop an app. By developing an app, you can help put a brand right on the home screen of its audience's mobile devices. This way, they can enjoy gamification, dedicated communities, and interactive content. App developers are in demand, so developing your own app or working for a company in need can be a great way to earn extra income. 8. Become a virtual tutor. Tutors are always in demand. Whether you are a teacher or someone with specific knowledge, you can help learners improve their grades and prepare for exams. Just keep in mind that you should have the teaching experience and a subject-specific certification. This will help create credibility for both parents and students. Do some research so you will understand your audience. From your skills, pick topics that you will feel confident teaching. Having specialization certification or an advanced degree will give you an additional advantage. There are a lot of teaching methods you can implement when you are a virtual tutor. You can use interactive activities, slides, storytelling, and even gamify your course lessons. Being a virtual tutor is one effective way to make money online. 9. Become an influencer. Influencers are people who help persuade potential buyers of a product or service by promoting or recommending the items on social media or YouTube. If that appeals to you, start thinking about what your niche could be. Maybe you're interested in fashion or travel. Maybe you've got a lot to say about tech or fitness gear. Consider your strengths and pick a niche that allows you to showcase those strengths. Another way to make money online while working from home is through consulting. If you're particularly skilled in a certain field, you may be able to find people who would pay you to offer them advice on their business or personal goals. One way to show others how much knowledge you can offer is to launch and promote your own blog. Another way is to create regular content on professional networking sites. For example, you may help business owners develop their social media presence as a digital marketing consultant. You can use social media to promote your expert content for low cost or even for free. After getting a few clients, you may be able to rapidly grow your business through word-of-mouth marketing. You can meet with clients virtually and schedule those appointments at times that meet your own needs. Once you pick your niche, it is time to market to an audience. You can do this with a blog or on social media platforms. Once you start building your audience, you can start selling to them. If you become popular, you might get the opportunity to represent specific brands and make money by promoting their products. 10. Build websites. Today, every business needs a website. There is a huge market for web designers, and these days, you don't even need to know how to code in order to build a site. Using a service like MailChimp, you can easily build a website that looks sleek and professional. Just keep in mind that it's best to pick a niche before you start creating websites. Put together a nice portfolio of the website that you have created and get out there and market yourself. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.